Now we're going to walk out the hallway, go to the left, and there it is, the bathroom! Khaki floors, there's the wallpaper, that was where the vanity was, and the sink, and then you can kind of see the outline on the wall where the mirror was, and that thing up there, that's coming down, just like what you guys had. Relic of the 70s, some walls that just need to be cleaned up. They're actually in good shape, they just need to be cleaned up. That's where the toilet was, sitting this way, but when we put it back in, it's going to sit this way. And there's shelves. Those are all going to get painted up. And then the bathtub with tile, and the tile's actually in really good condition. We're going to replace it anyways, and our thought is to see if we can actually find out if we can replace and take it all the way floor to ceiling. And then there's a closet that is definitely not original to the room. You can kind of see this little indent here. But it's going to get, it's going to stay, it's going to get painted, and then I think we're going to replace the doors, so instead of having one huge door, it's going to have two doors that kind of swing open like this. There's that, and there's the hallway. That's the bathroom. So I'll take one quick little peek back around. Door, ceiling, wow. Radiator, pipes, and how's the door?